Hey girl, hey. Y'all, the devil thought he had me. Oh, but he gave me 2 legs and 2 thighs and 2 wings. Y'all, how is this person, this chick, gonna mistake me for somebody else, y'all? She just saw me from the side, so she thought I was somebody else, y'all. So I'm gonna do a little car vlog, because I just had to tell y'all about this him. And then I got another story. She thought I was somebody else. She come walking up to me. Oh, you thought I wasn't gonna see you, huh? You talking all that ish on the phone. Okay, now we face to face. I turned her around. I was like, bitch, who you talking to? I said, my hair is already pulled back and I'm already oily. Bitch, what? Okay? And when I turned around and she saw my face, she was like, oh, I thought you was somebody else. I'm like, bitch, what? Because my heart started going boom, 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 because I'm like my daddy, y'all, because I was packed to the deuce and I was packed to the queen. I was packed to do anything. Go talking about, yeah, you were talking all that crap on the phone, now we face to face. I turned around and I said, bitch, what? I said, my hair pulled back and I'm already oily. What? Let's do this. And then, y'all, that happened today. I had to go to Walmart for my client. I'm on my way to my second client. But let me tell y'all this. I got a phone call. Y'all know I told you about the guy that paid my speeding ticket, bought me the vacuum cleaner and all that stuff. He gonna call me and tell me, hey, how you doing? I said, I do very well, and you? He said, well, I do very well for old man or some shit, he said. But anyway, he was like, you hadn't called me? I said, no, I had not, and I'm not going to call you just like that. So he was like, oh, so it's like that? I said, it always happened like that. I said, it ain't never just really been nothing between us. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we was cool or whatever, you know. So other than that, it was Nathan. Not nothing, it was Nathan, baby. Just like that. So he was asking me, when can he come to see me? Now, how could you go from me not calling you, you telling me that I hadn't called you, to you asking me, when can you come over there? I'm like, bye, Alicia, and hung up the damn phone. So I just had to tell y'all that since last night and the day, I had the bye, Alicia mug. I call him Belisha because his name started with a B, but you know, everybody said bye, Felicia. But no, his name started with a B, so I said bye, Belisha. And then this chick here, though. Yeah, y'all, the devil thought he had me, honey. Honey, but when I turned around, honey, she saw who I was, because I already had my mean mug look on my face, honey, because I was ready, honey. I was ready. Not ready, I was ready. But yeah, y'all, I just had to tell you how my last night went and my day went. Because that kind of threw me off, though. How you gonna see me from the side and thought I was somebody else? Bitch, get a good look from now on before you start assuming. And you know what they say, assuming me. You know, get a good look, before you start coming up with, with your hands up like you ready to pop a bitch, That's how she was. She was ready to pop me. But like I told her, my hair is pulled back and I'm already oily. So now what? Let's do this. But yeah, y'all, I just had to come to y'all and let y'all know what happened last night and what happened to me today. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So and then, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all why my bank called me and told me somebody been, y'all, excuse me, because I am like so doggone oily. Why my bank called me? I just left at the store. Why my bank called me last week? I forgot to tell y'all that my bank called me and told me that somebody been trying to get money out of my account. I'm like, what? From me? Who, me? I ain't got no money for them to be trying to get money. She said, yeah. She said they done tried that about 3-4 times, trying to get money off your card. I said, what? She said, yeah. So they had to cancel my card. This here happened last Thursday. Last Thursday. I forgot to tell y'all about it. But I had said I was going to do some vlogging and I was going to tell y'all about it. But anyhow, anyway. Yeah. She told me that somebody been trying to get money out of my car, that they canceled the car. I said, wait a minute. I was at the Dollar Tree when the woman called me. She called me at the Dollar Tree. Well, I mean, I was just pulled up at the Dollar Tree last Thursday. And she hit my phone rung right when I was getting ready to get out the car. So I sat there and talked to the woman. And that's when she told me that. I said, hold up, wait a minute, honey. I said, let me go get some money. I told her, give me about 15 minutes. I'm going to run on over here to because the Dollar Tree don't have no AT&T machines in there. But Walmart do. And Walmart was just a street over. It was just a street over. So I said, well, let me go get me some money off my card before you do that. Just like that. So I went and got me some money off my card, and she called me back. She said, okay, I saw where you just dropped the money out. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel your card. I was just doing a call back with you. I was like, oh my God, who could have been? And she said she don't know who it is, but she told me I wasn't the only one. And she said it was like some online company or whatever. So I don't know. So yeah, they canceled my card, and I got a new doggone card. That's what made me thought about it. Cause I had went to the mailbox and I got a new card. Yeah, so that's, yeah. Cause she told me it was gonna take, last Thursday, she told me that it was gonna take at least 4 to 5 weeks. I said, to get a new car? She said, yeah. She said, cause we're not making the cars anymore. Cause the bank used to make the cars and put your picture on the card. But this card right here is like so doggone thin. But the other car that I had was like thicker, had my picture on it and all that good stuff. So yeah, she said another company is making the cars now. So this car, I've been not ever stick this in my back, and I like to put my car, sometimes I don't tote my purse or put it in my, I just stick it in my pocket, especially if I'm like on the go, like real quick. I just stick my card in my pocket. And I sure better not stick that card in my pocket because that card there is like thin or whatever. But yeah, y'all be careful with y'all cards. I'm telling y'all, I need to be careful, okay? So yeah, honey, I'm gonna be extra careful with this card here. I'm excited that I finally got it back in because I had to cancel my Ipsy bag. I had to cancel my Love with Food box because that happened was that last Thursday? Yeah, that happened last Thursday when the woman called. And then on the 1st, that's when Love with Food had, yeah, last week. Yeah, that's when Love with Food and Ipsy emailed me telling me that my car was declined. Of course it was declined. It had been canceled, you know. But I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and do it for that next month. I might just wait. I really don't know what I'm gonna do or whatever at this moment, but yeah, I really don't know if I'm gonna go in and get it or what. I probably just wait because of that problem that I had, and they are online companies or whatever. So, but they good companies. Ipsy and Love with Food. They some good companies though. I don't think they'll do that. But anyway, so yeah, I just had to let y'all guys know that somebody had been trying to get money out of my account, y'all. But she said I wasn't the only one. So they canceled my card and a couple more other people that they was trying. Dog, and I'm passing by the post office and I don't even have my giveaway package with me. So I needs to go to the house and get this package because I right before I started videoing this here part of this video, I got a phone call and told me that I didn't have to go to my second job. But they do that sometimes, and then I just work on a Saturday or a Sunday sometimes. So that's not bad. I still get my money because me and my boss, we cool like that. Because I tell her that I didn't work such day, I was gonna make it up on this here day like that. So yeah, I ain't mad about it. But anyway, yeah, be careful with y'all cars and stuff. So yeah, and be ready when somebody come up to you talking crap, okay? and buy Felicia a mug for now. If somebody make you mad, just say bye Felicia or whatever their name start with. Just buy them like that. Like my name is Vanessa. Bye Felicia, okay? So let me get off because I gotta run to this house and I done got excited. I'm excited because I got my bank card today. Because I got tired of going up to that window. Can I get this? Can I get that? I don't like going to the window, to the bank. So, but anyhow, anyway, yeah, y'all be careful. Buy Felicia peoples nowadays. Buy them quick, okay? And never get mistaken. Mistaken. I said mistaken. Never let nobody mistake you, honey, because baby, she caught me on the wrong day and it was hot too. So anyway, let me get off this here because I don't river ramble. I'm on my way to the house now and go get this box so I can go mail this here giveaway box out because it's just sitting there. Just all I gotta do is just seal it, sign it, and deliver it to the post office. That's all I gotta do. I don't know why I'm tripping like that. But anyway, I was trying to see why Mr. Ray had his red lights on. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. So, bye.